Hi guys, my name is Kyla, and I thought I would take a few minutes to talk to you about why Juice Plus is an integral part, of my daily routine. When I was 10 years old, I contracted viral encephalitis, which was an inflammatory disease of the brain cells, and it was such a strong pathogen. It kicked my immune system into such high gear that it never really knew how to come back down. So my immune system has been ramped up ever since I was 10 years old. We won't talk about how long ago that was. But fast forward a few years, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, which is, of course, an autoimmune disease. So my own immune system was doing a very good job of chewing on basically my central nervous system, my brain and spinal cord. And what I really love about Juice Plus from the immunological standpoint is that it balances my immune system, doesn't make it overactive, it doesn't suppress it. It balances it to get it back more in harmony with what it's supposed to be doing. And a side effect with the MS is that you have muscle spasms. Um, your throat is a muscle. And so, because of the MS, I have poor esophageal motility, which is a fancy way of saying I have difficulty swallowing. Mid swallow, my throat might decide to paralyze, and I can choke and gag on whatever I'm eating. And so, and it's especially hard to eat fresh, raw fruits and vegetables because they're so fibrous and dense. And so, being able to get those in a capsule or a gummy form is crucial to keeping my nutrition in check. And MS is also inflammatory, um, but Juice Plus reduces inflammation and oxidation. We actually rust as we age. If you think about what the oxidation process does to your car, to metal, it literally eats it. And with Juice Plus, we can slow that oxidation process because it repairs cells and repairs DNA on the cellular level, and we can slow that very scary process of rusting and aging. But I think the scariest thing for me that's ever happened in the past year and a half, as far as my health is concerned, is I had no idea that blood could become inflamed. You think of swelling, you think of something on your skin, not something that's liquid largely, but it can and it does, and mine did. And because of that inflammation, I developed a blood clot, and that blood clot was in my right jugular. I don't have to tell you how scary that was for me. And so after that discovery, I immediately had to go on blood thinners. Blood thinners have their own set of very frightening side effects. You know, you fall down or you get a bruise, and falling is a regular occurrence for me with MS. You get a bruise, and it might not just be a bruise, it might cause excessive bleeding underneath your skin, which might cause a blood clot, which might cause you to bleed out before you even know that there's something going on internally. But after, I would say, 4 to 6 months on Juice Plus, I went for my INR, which is the test that measures the thickness of your blood. And oh, yeah, having to go for that every week or two to get stuck and have that measured and see where or how they need to adjust the level of blood thinners you're taking, that's not how I want to spend my time. But after 4 to 6 months on Juice Plus consistently, I came off of all blood thinners, and my levels have been perfect, textbook ever since then. And, I'm a girl, so externally, there have been a lot of benefits. Juice Plus is not a weight loss program. Don't think that it is. However, since I've been flooding my body with fruits and vegetables and whole food nutrition, what I desire to eat has changed. I want fruits and vegetables and whole food nutrition. Artificial and overly sweet things no longer taste that good to me. And so that has led to significant weight loss, or it has played a part in some pretty significant weight loss. I would say a good 60 plus pounds since the beginning of this year. And then my hair and my hair is amazing. It's growing like wildfire. people, perfect strangers, commented on it all the time. And my skin, they say, "Oh, wow, your skin is so pretty. It's glowing. What are you using?" When I wash my face, I pretty much just use soap and water, but I eat Juice Plus every day. And I'm not wearing any foundation right now. This is just my skin. This is just what it looks like with, no crazy expensive creams or powders or anything like that. And what girl doesn't want that? Like I said, we do have our vain side. So when you look at the cost of Juice Plus, don't think of what it costs. Think of what you're saving. You're not spending all that money on cosmetics and all these different lotions and potions. You're not spending all that money on over-the-counter drugs because your allergies are nuts, which those are almost gone, which is unheard of in Texas. So you're saving so much more than you're spending. You're investing in yourself. And who doesn't want to look better and feel better and do better? And Juice Plus can help you achieve all of those goals. Hey, addendum to my last video. Okay, so this is me with all of the mascara and eyeshadow and lipstick on. And correction, I do wear a powder. However, that powder is a custom blend of cocoa and corn silk and ginger and cinnamon and clove. My great friend Martha actually sat down with a mortar and pestle and ground spices to make the powder that I wear on my skin. So thought I would do a little disclaimer and be a little more honest, but this is actually me with no makeup whatsoever. See? That is Juice Plus skin. Thanks so much. Talk to you guys later. Bye.